Hi everyone, welcome back to FixBond. Today, I'm working on a DJI Mini 3 Pro. The issue is quite specific. The drone vibrates slightly during flight. Upon inspection, I noticed one of the motor shafts is loose, causing instability and occasional shaking in the air. In this session, we're going to replace the faulty motor and perform a full gimbal calibration. We'll also switch it to sport mode for some high-stress testing to ensure all motor axes are perfectly balanced and stable. Let's get this fan's drone back in perfect flying shape.